Dinah Lance fights crime as the Black Canary, just like her mother before her. Dinah was a natural to take over the role. Being spirited yet level headed, Black Canary is currently one of the birds of prey and is sent on missions all over the world by Oracle, who helps guide her through the toughest situations. Birds of Prey. When various injuries left the hero Oracle unable to walk, she invited the daring Black Canary to be her partner in the field. Together they became the Birds of Prey, which is Huntress, Lady Black Hawk, and Hawk and Dove, have since joined this covert group in their quest for injustice.